the front of you, I have to discuss about of our daily work, and also you all are beginner student, and I think whatever things I have taught of you from the parts of our grammatical, from the parts of our English, then all parts of the things that I have to discuss in English to English, and all of the student will have to answer to me. But today I have to ask one by one, and you will have to listen carefully of my given question. Which question I will have to you, that question you will have to listen carefully, and you will have to answer to me very successfully. You will not have to answer of like of any somehow. Okay? You will have to answer me quickly, smartly, and carefully. Then first, I am going to discuss to you. First, you tell me what is your name. Vidyaraj. Vidyaraj. Okay. In which class do you read, Vidya? 8th class. Very good. Okay, you are reading 8th class. It's great matter. But do you know tens? Yeah. How many kinds of the tens I have write out of you? There are 3 kinds of tens. There are 3 kinds of tens. Can you tell me of each name of that tens? Yeah. Okay, tell. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay, present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay, well, you have answered to very well. But now I am going to ask of you, how many kinds of present tense? There are 4 kinds of present tense. There are 4 kinds of present tense. Okay. Can you tell me each name of that present tense? Yeah. Okay. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Whatever things you will answer to me, you will have to answer to me with loudly. Okay. You will not have to speak in slow motion. If you speak in slow, then actually our voice will not come to clear. Okay. So please, you speak loudly. Next thing I am going to ask of you, do you know voice? Yeah. Yeah, you are knowing little bit. Kinds of voice? 2 kinds of voice. Okay, can you tell me the name of that voice? Active voice, passive voice. Okay. Then do you know for writing or for daily work? Yeah. And if I will ask of any sentences also into English for explaining, can you explain of any parts of the sentences from the part of that daily work? At first, you take study. What did you do? Yesterday, I got up in the early morning at 5 o'clock. Okay. I came down from the bed. Okay, means after waking up, you came down from the bed. After that, what did you do more? I stood and I came down from the door. Yeah. I opened the door. You stood, after that you came from the door. I came to door. Okay. After coming to door, what did you do? After open the door. Okay, means to open the door. After that, I put one slipper. Yeah. After that, I went outside. Good, I came bedroom. Yeah. Sometime read. Okay, sometime you read. After that, I went tuition. Okay, okay. After sometime you read there. Sometime read. Okay. After that, I came home. Yeah. After I put toothpaste and brush. Okay, okay. You took a toothbrush and paste. Yeah. After that, you brushed. Yeah. After brushing, what did you do? I ate food. Okay, okay. Okay, you took breakfast. Yeah. In breakfast, what did you take? You chapati and vegetable. Vegetable. Great. Which vegetable do you most like for eating? Brinjal. Oh, brinjal you most like. Also, it is my favorite vegetable. Understanding or not? Also, I used to eat and also this time in every day, I say in my homes, you cook the vegetable of brinjal. Okay. Also, it is your favorite. Yeah. Great. And what is your favorite subject? My favorite subject, math and English. Very good. Math and English. Yeah. Okay. Do you like English? Yeah. Would you like to speak English with plenty? Okay, you will have to practice too much for speaking of English or with fluency. Someday, if you practice continually, then your speaking will become to very fluent. You will not be muddled anywhere while speaking. Okay? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to ask you something more from the part of parts of a speech. Yeah. Can you answer to me? Yeah. Okay. You tell to me how many kinds of noun? There are 5 kinds of noun. Okay, there are 5 kinds of noun. Can you tell me each name of that noun? Yeah. Proper okay. Noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, mistake noun. Very good. Okay, now I am giving of you some words. You will have to choose. Okay, and you will have to tell to me which that word which I will give of you, all of them, which is that. Okay, then you listen carefully. Dog. Dog means common noun. Great. Pakistan. Pakistan means proper noun. Okay, and pencil. Pencil proper. Pencil proper noun. Proper noun or common noun? What is that? pronoun. Okay. And black pen?
Proper noun.
Proper noun. Great. You are knowing today. It's great. But you have need to practice for telling or putting you to know and more. Okay. You can go on please. Now I'm going to ask to another student. Now the turn of this boy. What is your name?
Nitish Kumar.
Nitish Kumar, come here. Okay, which class do you need with this? Indian class you already. Okay, but now I'm going to ask you some questions from the part of your daily work.
Okay.
Okay, because also you are beginner student.
Yeah.
And I have doubt of you for telling of your daily work. You will not have to keep up any hesitation inside of the mind for telling, okay? You will have to keep up your mind exactly neat and clean. Means you will have to live in concentrate mind exactly, okay?
Yeah.
And as I will ask of your question, according that you will have to answer to me of that questions. And the question will be known to you according that you try to express the answer of that question, okay? Then you tell to me how many kinds of tense are there?
There are three kinds of tense.
Okay, there are three kinds of tense. Can you tell me each name of the tense?
Past tense, future tense, and
Present tense.
present tense.
But you say seriously, understanding or not?
Okay.
You have not told that from initially. You have told that jump up, understanding or not? You have told from past, future, and present. But you say present, past, or future. Okay. Then can you tell me daily work sentences?
Yeah.
First you tell to me what did you do study?
Yesterday I get up in early morning.
Yesterday I get up in early morning. No, yesterday I got up whether I woke up early morning. Okay? Because now I'm not asking of you this in present. I'm asking of you this question in past. So you keep of this exactly inside of the mind and heedfully speak of that daily work sentences. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Yesterday I woke up in early morning and after waking up, what did you do more?
After waking up, I came down from the bed and I went the near of door and I catch the hasp of door and I opened the door.
Okay.
After that, I came out from home and I went outside.
After that, what did you do in outside?
I wandered sometime and I came again home.
Okay, you wandered sometime here and there.
Yeah.
After that, again you came back to home.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay, which time did you take breakfast in morning time study?
In 6 o'clock.
Okay, you took breakfast at 6 o'clock study in morning. Okay. Okay, after taking breakfast, what did you do?
After that, I went cycle room and I
Took out cycle.
yeah,
Okay, why did you take out cycle?
because I have to go to school.
Okay, because you had to go to school.
Yeah.
I have to go. No, I have to go to school.
Yeah.
Good. Okay, after going to school, how many hours did you read there?
6 hours.
6 hours you read.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your favorite subject?
Hindi and English.
Hindi or English? You most like to read.
Yeah.
Great, splendid. But what is your aim? What is your life goal? What do you want to be in your life? What do you want to be in your life? Have you any dream for being in or life for being in your future?
Scientist.
You are wanting to be scientist.
Yeah.
Okay, great, and you have kept that. But for being a scientist, what you will have to do, you know, you will have to struggle very much. Understanding or not? Then you can be a good scientist. Understanding or not?
Yeah.
And if you think of that, I will practice and I will struggle somehow. And so after doing to somehow struggle, I can get a very great accomplishment. Actually, no anyone till now has got very great acquirement after doing a little bit of struggle. Okay, you will have to do very much struggle. Then you can get very great success in your life. Okay, but dream is very great, and also you should work to very great. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, next thing I'm wanting to ask of you, if I will give of you any sentences from the parts of the tense, can you answer to me?
Yeah.
मैं मुंबई जाऊंगा.
मैं मुंबई जाऊंगा.
Yes.
I said go Mumbai.
I shall go to Mumbai. Okay. मैं खाना खाऊंगा।
I shall eat food.
ओके, मैं जा चुका था।
I had gone.
मैं पानी ला चुका था।
I had brought water.
Okay, if I will ask of you more popular sentence, means which sentence I am to ask of you, that sentence is most popular and this sort of the question that is asked by any English person, means any older man. Understood or no?
Yeah.
And what is that question? घोड़ा सड़क पर अड़क कर भड़क गया. At first you will have to identify this sentence, in which part of the tense that sentence is come. घोड़ा सड़क पर अड़क कर भड़क गया. At first you recognize of the tense.
Past.
Past. In past, which tense that is coming? In past, in which tense that is coming? Past indefinite, past imperfect, while past perfect, while past perfect continuous. घोड़ा सड़क पर अड़क कर भड़क गया.
Is
Past in
past.
simple past tense means past in definite tense. Do you know that sentence for solving? घोड़ा सड़क पर अड़क कर भड़क गया. The horse, at first, what the horse is working there? घोड़ा सड़क पर अड़क कर भड़क गया. The horse fled away, stopping on the road. Whether the horse galloped away, stopping on the road. Understand it?
Yeah.
Understood? Okay. Next sentence, I am going to ask of you more. मैं किताब पढ़ चुका हूँ.
I have
Read.
book.
Okay. Little bit you are hesitated to somewhere, but you have not need to hesitate to anywhere. Okay. Confidently you answer to me. You are going to build that. Understand it? But you start to look here and there. That's why your mind is converted here and there. You will not have to scatter of your knowledge here and there. If you will spread of knowledge here and there, then as the question will be given of you by me, one that you will not be able to answer to me suitably. Okay. So listen carefully of my every given questions, and you answer to me very sensibly. Then you will become to success in answering. Okay. Okay. Do you know voice? Some you are knowing.
Yeah.
Okay. If I will show you any structure for changing into passive voice, can you tell?
Yeah.
Subject plus word plus before plus object. Sometimes you will have with this structure you will have to change into passive. Subject plus word before plus object.
Object plus was where plus being plus B3 plus
By
Y plus
subject. You are knowing of this structure for changing.
Yeah.
You don't have any issues in this. Okay. Okay. Degree, do you know?
Degree, yeah.
Okay. If I will ask of any sentence from the part of the degree sentence, can you say? Okay, maybe I am going to ask of you. मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा लंबा हूँ.
I am tallest.
मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा लंबा हूँ.
I am
Taller.
than you.
Okay, I am taller than you. Like this, you have to answer to me. Okay, great, you have answered to me. And if I will give of you any sentences from the part of narration, can you answer? Do you know exactly about of narration?
No.
You don't know. Okay. Later I will ask of you about of the parts of narration. Then I will teach of you that. Okay. Okay. You go now. Now again I am going to call of this one. What is your name?
My name is Suman.
In which class do you read, Suman?
I read in 8th class.
Okay. Please you speak loudly. Or voice is not going there. Understand me or not? That's why I am telling of you. What you speak, that you speak loudly. As or voice will be captured to very well in my camera. Understood? Okay. Then I am going to discuss also to you about the parts of daily work. Do you know well daily work? If I say of you for explaining or for study work, then can you define that well? No problem. Let's go tight.
Yesterday I got up at 5 o'clock and then I came down from bed. After that I went to the and opened the door and I saw in my sleeper.
You saw a sleeper. After that you put on sleeper. Okay. At night time you tell me what did you do at night study?
I read in 6 o'clock.
Okay. You read till 6 o'clock. After reading till 6 o'clock, what did you do more? Means after reading, what did you do?
After reading,